Hello, beautiful and handsome viewers, followers, and subscribers. Have you been finding it difficult downloading any video you like from Facebook to your phone gallery so you can watch it offline or even send it to another device through Xender? Today, in this video, I'll be showing you step by step to download videos from your Facebook to your phone gallery. You do not need any app to do this. But before we get started, please help me subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. Please support your boy by doing just that. And if you find value in this video, please do not just walk past by. Make sure after watching this video you give this video a thumbs up. Share this video because I know a lot of people have been watching movies on Facebook. They've been searching for ways that they can download videos from Facebook to their phone gallery. Without much ado, if you are set with your smartphone, let's go into this video tutorial. First thing first, you need to go to your Facebook and then come to this search bar and type the name of the video you are looking for, or if in case you just come across the video, you just need to click on this link here. That is one way. That is if you are doing it from the news feed. And if you are doing it from the search bar, for example, I just type the name. For example, let's say I type Very Dark Man, and once the page opens, I scroll down, and then let's say that this is the video I want. Here you will see where it is written share. Click it, and then once you click it, you see where it is written copy link. You click on the copy link, but that is not what I want to do. I want to use my own video personally, so I go to my profile and then I open my profile. Once I open my profile, I search for the videos that I want to download. So here I'll click on Reels instead because I want Reels. Then I scroll and look for the particular video that I want, and here we go. I found the video down here, and here is the video. I just click and open the video. I'll just click on these three dots here and then click on copy link, and then next I'll go to my browser. I'm opening my Chrome. Now on my Chrome browser, I'll click the search bar. Now I'll type this website that I will use to download this video. What I'll do is type on yt1s.com, but I'm going to use yt5s.com instead, and then I click go or enter, and once it opens, you see download Instagram videos for free. This will simply mean you have the Instagram video link. You paste it here, but let's tap on these three horizontal lines. Once it is opened, we click Facebook downloader. Enter the Facebook video link here. We paste it, long press. Next, you click on start. Click download. It will start downloading. Click details. According to your phone, it is downloading. It's completely downloaded. Let's open it. And here it is played. Thank you for watching. If this video has really been helpful in helping you download whatever video that you want from Facebook to your phone gallery, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please show your boy love now. Just give me a subscription. Be my subscriber. Subscribe to this channel. Please help me share this video. As I said, I'll see you in another educating video like this one. Take care of yourself.